Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use Google Assistant feature in Google Gemini. I want to know that Google Assistant and Google Gemini are two different service or Google service. Now, if you want to use Google Assistant feature on Google Gemini, such as sending messages, putting a call through using the Google Gemini, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to use the Google Assistant feature in Google Gemini is go ahead and open the Google app. This Google app is available on all Android devices, and if it is missing, come to search and search for Google. Then go ahead and click on Google. Then this is going to open the Google application. Mark your phone must be connected to the internet either via Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right. Scroll down the page, locate and click on settings. Once you click on settings, scroll down the settings page, locate and click on Gemini. Once you located Gemini and click on it, then you want to scroll down. Then you should see Google Assistant feature in Gemini. Go ahead and click on that. And if use Google Assistant features is disabled, like this, you will not be able to say, "Hey Google," while you are on Google Gemini AI. So just turn this on to be able to use "Hey Google" personal result. You see that? So the moment you say "Hey Google," this is going to wake Google Gemini, and of course, you can now use all of these Google Assistant feature on your Google Gemini. So that is basically how to enable or turn on use Google Assistant feature in Google Gemini. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.